Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export presets in Lightroom Mobile. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. Let's say, for example, this picture right here. All right, so we would want to create a new preset. Now to do that, go ahead and edit the photo. For example, you add in some lighting, exposure, like that, and the contrast, the blacks, just like that, and the blur. If you want to add some blur, go ahead and do so. Now to be able to export the preset or the settings of this particular photo that we just made, just go ahead and hit on share right here at the top, tap on it. Now go ahead and select export as, tap on it. Now make sure that the file type right here is set to DNG, not JPG, not AVIF, not TIF, and certainly not original. All right, make sure that it's set to DNG. Once that's done, go ahead and tap on the check mark, and it says here, export complete. That's basically how you do it. You can go ahead and share the particular photo, all right, that has the particular preset with it, and anybody that has the particular DNG file can use the preset. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.